If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. When you create an index for a table in Access, you define a way to sort the table's data using the available fields. Indexing a table is simply a way of organizing the table's data to allow access to complete query searches and sorting more rapidly. Indexing can help speed up the time that it takes to complete queries in Access given a few criteria are met first. First, you should only index tables containing a variety of different data types in their fields. Second, indexing is more efficient if the data in the indexed fields gives each record a more unique identification, like a primary key field. Indexing is not usually necessary on fields with multiple repeating values. Third, you only need to index fields used as query criteria. For example, if you create many queries that find records in a table based on phone numbers, you may want to create an index on the table's phone number field. Assuming your table fields meet these criteria, it may help to apply an index to the desired fields to increase the sorting and processing capabilities of data in queries. Unfortunately, if you apply an index to a table that contains multiple similar data types or has multiple duplicate information in each indexed field, you may actually slow down the speed at which Access updates table information. In these cases, it is actually preferable to not index these fields, as indexing these types of fields robs you of more time than the time saved by using the indexed fields in the query. Also, Access decides when and if it uses the indexes you create. All you can do is create the indexes for the table fields. Access decides when and if to use the available indexes when performing a query. Many times, when a query is performed on a table containing very little information, Access performs a table scan on the table records, looking at all the data in all the fields, and then extracting the requested results. However, as you add more data to the tables, Access may find it easier to index or sort the table by one of the available indexes first, and then extract the requested records. However, it cannot do this if there are no indexes created. To view the indexes that are created for a table in Access, first open the table in Table Design view. Then click the Indexes button in the Show Hide button group on the Design tab of the Table Tools contextual tab in the ribbon to view the table's indexes in a separate Indexes dialog box. Almost every table has at least one index, the primary key. The primary key is a type of index. Notice that when you open a table in Datasheet View, it sorts the view by the values in the primary key column by default. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.